Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. We are using an Injectimate Hydro-force. That's an injection that we use to treat the padding under the carpets. The main source of odor and the problem is under the carpets and on the padding. So that's the reason why I'm using this tool by Hydro-force Injectimate. Let me put the handle inside the odorizing product, and now, okay. Wait. Okay. Now you feel it's inside. Presiona un chin. Ahí está. Okay, good. So every foot, especially on the corners, we already treat the corners. She's washing the walls. We are also using this product that is really good. Let me see. To eliminate odors or smoke odor. We're using this to eliminate any moisture or tough odor, and this is a cup of vinegar. And I also put a lime in the corner of the window, so it will help us for the strong odor of this room. And this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Treating the padding for odors, cleaning the walls, everything is clean. Remember, this area was horrible. In the bathroom, I put some lime here. These sponges is to trap any odor, and I put some vinegar inside this sponge. We are all over the place. This is another room. Lime, vinegar. This to trap any tough odor. And inside the closet I put the sponge with vinegar to trap odors, and this product that is really good. This is the other room. In this room I put again another Ocean. I open the window. There is the dehumidifier here, and we almost done. The driveway looks good. We already cleaned the floor, but because we already stepped on it again, we have to mop again. I'm gonna make another video soon. Thank you for watching.